Welcome back student in basic chemistry course. In previous video we are going to discuss our third unit containing topic is the adhesives. So in that topic we discussed the definition of adhesive, then different qualities present in the adhesives, then their characteristics, and also we discussed the different classified types of the adhesives. So in today's session we are going to discuss the applications of adhesive. So firstly we see the definition of adhesive again. So definition of adhesive is it is a substance which is capable of holding materials together by surface attachment known as adhesive. म्हणजेच हा अशा प्रकार सबस्टन्स आहे की जो दोन मटेरियल्स जे आहेत यांना अटॅच करून ठेवण्याचं काम करतो आहे. दिस इज कॉल्ड ॲज द ॲडेझिव्स. मग ह्या ॲडेझिव्सबद्दल आपण त्याच्या डिफरंट क्वालिटीजही डिस्कस केल्या होत्या. त्याचबरोबर अजूनही काही टर्म्स डिस्कस केल्या होत्या. त्यामधली एक टर्म होती ती म्हणजे ॲडरंट्स. ॲडरंट मीन्स द bodies which are attached together by adhesive. These bodies will be called as the adherent, and the bodies will be attached together by the process will be known as the bonding process. ओके, ह्या डिफरंट टर्म्स देखील आपण यामध्ये डिस्कस केल्या होत्या. यानंतर नेक्स्ट आपण क्लासिफाईड टाईप्स जे आहेत ॲडेझिव्सचे हे डिस्कस करत होतो. सो ॲडेझिव्स आर जनरली क्लासिफाईड इन टू 7 टाईप्स. फर्स्ट टाईप इज द थर्मोसेटिंग synthetic resins. These thermosetting synthetic resins will be classified into 5 different types. First, thermosetting synthetic resin means these resins possesses a good adhesive properties as they form a three-dimensional crosslink structure, and the bond obtained is infusible and insoluble. So they are resistant towards moisture, heat, insects and fungi. Okay, so the important family members of these thermosetting synthetic resins are first is phenol formaldehyde resin, then second one is urea formaldehyde resin, then polyesters, epoxy resins and silicone resin. So first, phenol formaldehyde resin, it is also available as a solid, liquid or impregnated film. This resin is first applied to the two surfaces which are to be joined, and then heat and pressure are applied. So this resin film so formed is resistant to action of insects, fungi and water exit. Okay, so this is the phenol formaldehyde type of resin film. Second one is the urea formaldehyde resin. This urea formaldehyde resin which can be also used to be mixed with water, and the addition of water which helps the formation of crosslink structure which promotes the rapid setting, and this urea formaldehyde which on condensation with zinc chloride yields a solid adhesive. Okay, means this urea formaldehyde forms a reaction with zinc chloride, then that times a solid adhesive will be produced, and the film formed by this resin is a strong, resistant to moisture, insect and fungi. Okay, and next one is the polyester. So this polyester will be mixed with alkyl resin, work as a good adhesive, and they are resistant to moisture but not to heat. Means this urea formaldehyde and phenol formaldehyde resins will be a water will be resistant to moisture and also heat, but this polyester will be only resistant to moisture but not the heat. Okay, next one is the epoxy resin. This epoxy resin is also having a good adhesive property. They stick to a number of substances including metals and the glasses, and they also used for a bonding glass, for making a bonding glass, metallic and ceramic articles. Last one is the silicone resin. They also have a strong power to adhesion and water repellence. Okay, and also they are used for bonding metals and preparing ceramics, plastic and rubber. So this is the thermosetting type of synthetic resin. Second one is thermoplastic resin. We already discussed the thermoplastic resin which not be soft on heating. So the film formed by thermoplastic resin, this will be a soluble, fusible and poor water resistant adhesive. Okay, so these thermoplastic resin will be also sub-classified into 5 types. First one is the cellulose derivatives, then cellulose acetate, ethyl cellulose, acrylics and polyvinyls. So let's discuss this. First is the cellulose derivatives. These cellulose derivatives are a cellulose nitrate admixed with alcohol in sold in market under the trade name is collodion. So these cellulose derivatives will be sold in the market at the trade name is collodion, and it has excellent bonding properties, and the cementing a film developed is a tough, highly waterproof but inflammable and affected by strong acid and alkalis. Okay, so this is the cellulose derivative. Next is the cellulose acetate. So this is cellulose acetate will be admixed with the benzene, is more resistant to heat than cellulose nitrate but possesses a less adhesive strength than the nitrate. This is the cellulose adhesive, cellulose acetate. Then ethyl cellulose will also admixed with some modifiers and plasticizers. They are also used as a adhesive. Okay, so this will be also show the properties like a good water resistant. Next one is the acrylics. So these acrylics will also name as a plexiglass, and they form a perfect adhesive film. This film will be stable under all conditions. This type is the polyvinyls. So these polyvinyls are also a good adhesive. They form the film is resistant towards a light and chemicals. They are also used for bonding of glass and metals in the scaling operation in food industries. So these are the generally different types of thermoplastic resin. Next, third classified type of adhesive is natural resin adhesive. These natural resin adhesive are found in nature and are used for making adhesive. They are generally also having two types, shellac resin and asphalt. So first, shellac resin is applied when hot and it is used for making adhesives. They will be used when they will be in hot condition. Okay, and also next one is asphalt. They are also used in bonding paper, cloth, and also a metal bonding. Okay, so this is the asphalt, a natural resin adhesive. Next one is a starch adhesive. These adhesive are made by heating a starch suspension in water or in a dilute HCl. So these adhesive will be made by heating a starch suspension in water or in dilute HCl. These will be cheap, workable in hot and cold conditions also, and they possess low resistance towards a moisture and also having a low adhesive strength. They are used in market for making envelopes, stamps. Next one is the inorganic adhesive. So examples of this inorganic adhesive, they are generally used for making cardboard containers and paper boxes. Okay, examples are sodium silicate is mixed with litharage and suspended in water to form a gel which is applied to a brush. Okay, so this is the inorganic adhesive. Next one is the vegetable glue. This vegetable glue also classified into two types, a soybean glue and season glue. And last type is the animal glues. So these are the classified types of the adhesives. Next we discuss the applications of adhesive. So first application of adhesive is phenol formaldehyde resin is used for making waterproof plywood, laminates, bonding articles in aircraft and shipbuilding industries. मगाशीच आपण पाहिलं फर्स्ट ॲप्लिकेशन्स ऑफ दिस फेनॉल फॉर्मल्डिहाइड रेझिन इज मगाशीच आपण ज्यावेळी क्लासिफाईड टाईप्स डिस्कस करत होतो त्यावेळी आपण फेनॉल फॉर्मल्डिहाइडबद्दल पाहिले. दे आर जनरली यूज्ड फॉर मेकिंग वॉटरप्रूफ प्लायवूड, laminates, bonding articles in aircraft and shipbuilding industries. Next is urea formaldehyde resin. They are also used for in bonding surfaces of plywood, laminate articles in air and ship industries. Epoxy resins, third application is epoxy resins is also used for bonding glass, metallic, ceramic articles. Okay, example आपण मागाशीच पाहिलं होतं की अराल्डाईट जे आहेत हे जनरली एअरक्राफ्ट इंडस्ट्रीजमध्ये अशा प्रकारे यूज केले जातात. नेक्स्ट ॲप्लिकेशन इज द सिलिकॉन रेझिन आर युज्ड फॉर बॉन्डिंग मेटल्स, सिरॅमिक, प्लास्टिक अँड द रबर. सो सेल्युलोज डेरिव्हेटिव्स आर जनरली यूज्ड इन फूड अँड क्लॉथ इंडस्ट्रीज. Acrylics, next application is acrylics are used in bonding cloth, paper, glass and leather also. Next application is the polyvinyls are used for bonding non-porous surfaces like glass metals. Okay. Next application is natural resin adhesive are used in making belt and conveyors. नॅचरल रेझिन ॲडेसिव्ज जे आहेत, नॅचरल रेझिन ॲडेसिव्ज जे आहेत त्यांचेच आपण टाईप पाहिले होते, शेलॅक रेझिन आणि अस्फाल्ट. हे जनरली कशासाठी यूज करतो आपण, तर मेकिंग बेल्ट्स अँड कन्व्हेयर्स. नेक्स्ट इज द one of the classified type of adhesive is starch adhesive. They are used for manufacturing envelopes, stamp, notebook and other paper goods because they will be workable under hot and also in cold conditions, and they are low resistant to moisture. So that's why they will be used for making stamp, notebook, other paper goods and envelopes. Next and the last application is the animal glues are used in manufacturing furniture, radio cabinets and card boxes. याच्यामध्ये आपण ॲनिमल ग्लू आणि व्हेजिटेबल ग्लू हे जर लास्ट क्लासिफाईड टाईप पाहिला तर ॲडेसिव्हचा, हे जनरली आपण मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग ऑफ फर्निचर, रेडिओ कॅबिनेट्स आणि कार्ड बॉक्सेसच्या प्रिपरेशनमध्ये यूज करतो. सो टुडे वी स्टॉप हिअर. In next video we are discussing the last topic of this unit is the lubricant. Thank you.